Um, so I just want to say I made in the Minecraft movie you have Steve's lava chicken thing, and I made an actual working one. So here, take a look. There you go. Also, if you look over here, I'm just gonna go there. There's this ladder thing. You go up here. I can only use one finger because I'm holding up the phone. If you go up here, there's this which opens the lava from getting out. And if you're saying, why didn't I just put the lava here, like in this whole thing where the chicken is? I wanted to make it seem as realistic to the Minecraft movie because the chicken drops down, and I wanted to make it as realistic. So here's how it works. Oh wait, that's the wrong lever. And that was the thing to open the hopper thing. I'm gonna need that open anyway. Just let me go to the back. I also did some instructions here. It says insert chicken, open the bottom piston, open the top piston, number 5 got cut out. Wait, is it on the back? Nope. Oh yeah, and just give it Steve's actual working lava chicken. And here's the thing. So you look at the back here. There's lever. Press the lever. Chicken comes down. Now, just give me. As you can see in this chest, there is absolutely nothing. Because I want to prove this works. Oh, you just say I made it in creative mode. And then what you want to do, you want to press this lever, and just give me a second. Go down here. Chicken, wait, no. Damn it, chicken's gonna live. Oh no, it went in. I'm gonna do a better showcase. So there's gonna be 2 lava chickens. Well, dead lava chickens. I'm gonna have to fill this up because I forgot to. Because there was a bit of some flawed designs with flawed. I don't know how to say it. I'm gonna put the chicken back up in there. And okay, so let's try that again. As you see, chicken's up there. You move it here, press this lever, chicken comes down. Now, oh bloody hell, I forgot to shut the thing because I broke the glass. Okay, just look. Let's just say the chicken's down. Chicken's down here. Chicken got down. The chicken escaped because there was a hole here. Well, 2 big holes. Go up here. Press this lever. And as you can see, just watch. Yep, and now give me a second. There's going to be 2 lava chickens. And just give it. Wait, let me try that again. And just to say, if you want to know what this lever does, I think I already said, just wait. I'm playing on it. You wanna hit the lava and the chicken. It's practically a crusher. Practically a lava chicken crusher thing. So I'm gonna put the chicken in there. And okay, now I'm gonna try it again. Press the lever. There's one more chicken in there, I just checked. And watch the chicken burn. Okay, now let me check. Yep, there it is. A nice lava chicken. And that's all. And yeah, that's all. It's gonna be a bit hard to see, but here's the design. Shouldn't be that hard if you're doing it on survival mode, though. Just say, most of the stuff in my inventory is what you're gonna really need. Just get rid of the raw chicken, the camel, and also I use stone for it. Also for the ladder part, don't use glass because you can't do that. And yeah, I also need there also has to be 11 there. You can add instructions if you want, but they don't fit on all one thing. And yeah, that's the showcase for Steve's lava chicken.